method, okay, for event handling. So see, simply I'm deleting this code. Now nothing is there in this. By default coding is there. Now button is there. Getting? Now there is one more method by which you can do same thing. So just go to code, and here for that button you can add the on click attribute, and then the method name. Now see what I have done. I have added the on click attribute. Is a method. We have already seen it is a event handler method, and here we are taking the user defined method, show method. So whenever that button will be tapped by user, then this show method will be called. And now what we are going to do, we are going to add the body of this show method in the Java file. So this method should be public, it should not return anything. And what is the method name? Show. And see, here the main logic will be added, and on which view we are going to tap. So we are going to tap on the button, and button is one of the view, or the base class of that button is a view. So you need to pass the object of view to this show button. So whenever the user will tap on that button, then this show method will be called. Now here you need to add the toast logic. So how to create toast? Toast dot make text, then get application context, then actual message. This is a then third argument is duration. So toast dot length long and dot show. So same logic. Now we'll get the same output. So let us see the output. Run this one more time. So this was previous output. Now see, it is installing one more time. Here you need to pay attention. So right now Gradle build is running. After that you will get the install and then launch activity option. This is nothing but the activity. Activity is a user interface component. It represents the single screen of your application. Your application may have number of activities, that means number of screens. Right now my application has only one activity, that is empty activity. Then I have taken one button on that activity, that is click me button. So this is second method for event handling. There is one more method that I will also show you. Okay, so you can decide which method is best for your application, and you can decide which method is easy for you. Getting? But all these three methods, their purpose is same. In the background they are doing the same thing, that is they are using the event delegation model. The working is same, but the writing style or syntactical difference is there. Okay, so see, you are getting the output. So see, click me, this is a toast. So see what we have printed, this is a toast. And see, you are getting the output, this is a toast, this is a toast. So this is the second method. Okay, so now I will demonstrate the third method for event handling. Getting? Third method of event handling. So I will delete this code. I will delete that. Now this is our default code. There is an activity, empty activity, and on that activity I have taken only one button. Now do the event handling. So see, create the button object, object, the button object. This is the object. Now retrieve its id, so button click equal to find view by id r dot id dot button click. So button click is the variable name. Getting, so r dot id dot button click, this will give you id, actual id. So I already told you that the ids are always present in hexadecimal integer constant. They're always hexadecimal integer constants. Now what I am going to do, button click dot set on click listener. And instead of directly specifying the listener name, what I will do, add the this. See what it is showing me, required type listener. So provided main activity. So see here I am going to add the listener. So main activity is the class which is extending app compact activity. Here I am implementing the interface. So implements and then on click listener. See, main activity extends app compact activity, implements on click listener. Okay, so this is also one method. Now here it is showing me warning. So what is the warning? That means it is showing that you should add the handler. You should add the handler. That means implement method. That means whatever method is declared in this interface that you should implement. So which method is there? So see, implement method, it is showing me on click. So just see here there is a balloon. So select this and implement method and select the on click method and just click on OK. So see, this is your event handling method, and here also you should add the same coding. So toast dot make text get application context. This is a simple toast demo, and then toast duration. Okay, so same output will get. So let us see the output. So we execute this application. Now this was previous output, so it will be first closed and then it will execute the fresh activity. So here right now it is closed. Now just click on this button. This is simple toast demo. This is simple toast demo. So this is what the event handling in Android. In the same way you can have the event handling for any views. So I have demonstrated all three methods for event handling mechanism. Getting, all these three methods, they are using the event delegation model. So the purpose is same, only there is a syntactical difference in event handling code. Okay, so here we have demonstrated, I have demonstrated the event handling mechanism in Android with the help of toast message. Thank you.